Alright, so check this out. I was at the scrapyard recently and I came across this Justrite gas can. It's a 2.5 gallon. I think they call this caged, spill proof, DOT something or other. And I don't know, it just kind of looked cool. So I grabbed it and I was able to get on the Justrite website and I ordered a new spout for it. This is the big 1-inch spout rather than the smaller one. And what I'm going to do is just kind of clean this thing up, put a little degreaser on it, and put it into a service. The cool thing about these is when you open this up, look at the front right here. When you squeeze that, that's what opens up and allows the gas to flow. And then when you need to fill it with gas, you have to raise this up. There's a metal tab here, a metal something here. You raise it up, the handle, and then lift this piece up with it. And now, when you push this down, it opens up that thing so you can fill it. Now this piece of cork, I got to figure out how to mount that or get a new one. But it's a little bit older style. I was looking online and the newer style is a little bit different. But I can certainly put this into service. So let's clean it up and see what it looks like when we're done. What I'm going to use to clean it up is this product called Oil Eater. It's a cleaner and a degreaser, and it's non-corrosive. And brother-in-law of mine worked in the oil changing industry, and they use this on the job site. So I really like this stuff, and I put some in a spray bottle right here, and we're going to clean up that tank right there. Give it a good soaking. And then I'm going to take it outside, hose it down. Alright, so we brought it outside and we hosed it down. That stuff worked out pretty good. Cleaned it up really well. I looked these up online, and these are pricey little gas cans, I'll tell you that. So, right now what we'll do is we'll put the spout on. And the other thing too is, like, this is missing a part, but what it's supposed to do, oh, I should clean that off. There's like a T-handle thing that it would screw down into this, and that would basically hold this closed, you know, if you're transporting it somewhere. So that part's obviously missing, but I'm sure that we can come up with something. So like I said, this thing is made to be super safe and spill proof and all kinds of stuff. So let's get that nozzle on it. Alright, just a Phillips screwdriver. Take these screws out. Open up the new package. Like I said earlier, there's two sizes of spout. This is the larger of the two. This is the 1-inch. I think the other one was 5/8. And when I was reading online reviews on these fuel tanks, the biggest complaint people had was that the smaller nozzle just didn't allow you to fill your gas tank on your lawnmower or whatever very quickly. So, all right, a little difference in the size of the screws. See what the instructions say. Oh, just in case you didn't know how to turn 2 screws in. It looks like you have to have 2 different screwdrivers though. I see the new cork. Gotta punch the hole out in that cork. Huh. Alright, let me get something small to punch that out. Alright, so I got the cork gasket punched out. I think what I'm going to do is to use the older screws, just because they're a little bit longer. And let's get this party started. Bend that out of the way. Snug it up really good. And I think we're golden. Now, one thing I want to do yet is to find out about the cork in here. Well, see, now it's stuck in place, but it looks like there's actually a threaded hole up inside here, and some sort of truss head screw or something would go under to hold that piece of cork in. We'll have to figure out what thread size that is. Maybe it's that. Anyway. Alright, so when I open this up, down inside is a screen, but I think I see something down there. Look at that. There's a flat washer. I'm sure that's what helps hold that piece of cork on there. Let me show you what else is down there, what it looks like. Let's see if you can get this. There's a screen, spark arrestor screen. Again, it's a safety can. Alright, so there are my 3 gas cans. I've got my fat 5-gallon can, my 1-gallon can, and now I have a 2.5-gallon can. And I tell you what, I know that one is much safer. And you might ask, well, why does somebody want to spend a bunch of money to have gas cans that are expensive anyway? Well, even if you buy the plastic ones nowadays, they're pretty expensive. These 2 here were about 50 bucks a piece. And I'll tell you what, my garage where I do a lot of my work is a attached garage to my house, and my family is in that house. So to me, it's worth the extra money to keep my family safe, and that's all there is to it. So spend the extra money, get yourself some quality gas cans. That one obviously didn't cost me anything except for the price of the spout. And happy. All right, thanks for watching.